So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the year built filter here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go ahead and type in your location. I'll use Seattle for this example, and then I'll press on the search button right here. So once your location is selected, if you want to go ahead and maybe edit the year your home was built, so if you're looking for maybe a newer house, you can change the minimum. If you're looking for maybe an older house, you can change the maximum or anything in between. Just go to the top to where it says filters right here. Then just scroll down to where it says property details. And where it says year built right here, you can go ahead and adjust your minimum year built to maximum. So if you're looking for maybe a newer house, you can go year build from, let's say, 2020 to 2025, kind of as the range right here. And if all looks good, you can go ahead and press on see homes right here. Then you can be looking for new homes in this case, built between the years 2020 and 2025. So very straightforward, super duper simple. This is how you guys can edit the year built filter here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.